Now we were solving questions which involved division or multiplication. Now we are going to solve questions which involve both multiplication and division. So it's a combination. Okay. So if the division or multiplication or you will see how. Okay. So this is the first question. D by dx of x square sin x divided by 1 minus x. So what do you see? You have a u by v, but in the numerator you also have u times v, correct? So it is a combination of both division and multiplication. So let's see how this goes. So first division, BODMAS rule. What is BODMAS? BODMAS. So you have learned BODMAS rule in your younger classes. So B na bracket, O is off, which is also multiplication. D division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So this is the order you should approach any question, any maths question. Okay. So here you have division and multiplication. So first we are going to deal with division. Division ku formula enna? VU dash minus UV dash by V square. So V U dash minus U V dash divided by x square divided by V square. Correct? Now here you have a product u v. What is the formula? D by dx of u v is v u dash plus u v dash, v u dash plus u v dash. So what do you have? 1 minus x times v u dash. V u dash, derivative of x square is 2x plus u v dash, sin x derivative enna? Cos x. So this part is over. Minus x square sin x, derivative of minus x is minus 1 divided by 1 minus x the whole square. So what is your final answer? You can multiply inside or you can just leave it like that. So it is 2x sin x plus x square cos x, minus into minus plus. So plus x square sin x divided by 1 minus x square. Clear? Question number 2. D by dx of log x divided by x. So this is simply of the form u by v. There is no multiplication. So what do you have? V u dash. V u dash. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. So v u dash plus u v dash. X or derivative 1 divided by v square, which is x cancel I know. So you have 1 plus log x divided by x square. So that's your answer. Okay, this is very easy. I wanted to solve this because you need to know what the derivative of log x is. Okay. Next question. D by dx of e to the x times x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So this is a combination of both multiplication and division. So u by v யும் இருக்கு, u v யும் இருக்கு. You have both. So what do you do first? You approach the division first. So what do you have? V u dash. So what is your v? V u dash. D by dx of e to the x times x minus 1 minus u v dash. What is your u? E to the x minus 1 d by dx of x plus 1. This whole divided by x plus 1 the whole square. So what do you get? You have x plus 1 times d by dx of, now you have a product. So enna pannom? V u dash plus u v dash. So I'm opening the bracket. V u dash. Derivative of e to the x is e to the x plus u v dash. E to the x, v dash enna? 1. So it's e to the x. Now in the term is over. Now I have a minus. I'm going to open the bracket. E to the x times x minus 1. D by dx of x plus 1 is 1. So times 1, which is just 1, whole divided by x plus 1, the whole square. Okay. So what do I have now? X plus 1 times e to the x common adta, I have x minus 1 plus 1 minus I have e to the x, x minus 1. E to the x, x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. So this goes off. So you have x e to the x times x plus 1 minus e to the x, x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. So what happens when I further simplify this? I have x square e to the x plus x e to the x. Here I have minus x e to the x, minus x e to the x plus e to the x. So I now go x e to the x and minus x e to the x, they get cancelled. So I'll just cancel them. So I have x square e to the x plus e to the x divided by x plus 1 the whole square. That's your final answer. Okay. D by dx of e to the x sin x divided by secant x. So this is also of the form u by v and uv. So here it's a combination of both multiplication and division. So you do the division first. V u dash minus u v dash. So you have, don't forget the denominator, secant square x. So what do you have? Secant x. This is your u, this is your v. So I'm opening a bracket. V u dash. What is your u dash? E to the x. Derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Plus u v dash. Sin x derivative and cos x. I'm closing the bracket. This term is done. Minus e to the x sin x. Secant x or derivative? Secant x tan x divided by secant square x. So do you see secant x in this term and secant x in this term? One secant x cancels one of the secant x here. So what are you left with? Sin x e to the x plus e to the x cos x minus secant x pochna, you have e to the x sin x tan x divided by secant x. That is your answer. Okay.